student teachers, welcome to PRB classes. In our last video, we had learned regarding Indian polity and current affairs, the governance of Indian governance, right? So, in our today video, from the topic general test, we are going to learn about Indian history and culture. We have taken the most probable 20 MCQs. So this is Indian history and culture, images of Indian history and cultures. Taj Mahal is there, other historical factors we have taken. So let us go to the MCQ part. In our question number 1, we have taken which was the first capital of Mauryan Empire. There are 4 options: Pataliputra, Rajagriha, Takshashila, Ujjain. Right, this is Maurya Empire. So let us click here to get the correct answer. Most of the students will think that Pataliputra. I don't think so. The correct answer is Rajagriha. Our question number 2, we have taken the Rig Veda is mainly a collection of a hymns, option B stories, option C laws, option D prayers and rituals only. See, you just see the picture and picture showing the answer. Anyhow, we have to click here to get the correct answer. The correct answer is hymns. Hymns means throat, songs, one type of bhajan playing by the sages to make happy to gods. Okay, the correct answer is hymns. In our question number 3, we have taken who built the famous Kailash temple at Ellora. Option A Chandragupta II, option B Krishna I, option C Harshvardhan, option D Pulakesin II. Correct answer is option B Krishna I. Question number 4, the Bhakti movement in India was led initially by 4 options. Options A Kabir, Basava, Ramanuja, Tulsidas. Correct answer is Ramanuja. Question number 5, which Mughal emperor built the Red Fort in Delhi? Babur, Akbar, Shahjahan, Aurangzeb. Correct answer is Shahjahan. See, I have taken the picture of several historic characters for you better memorize. Question number 6, the permanent settlement is otherwise known as Chirasthai Bandobast was introduced in Bengal by 4 options. Option A Warren Hastings, option B Cornwallis, option C William Bentinck, option D Dalhousie. So let us, from picture you can guess. Anyhow, we have to click here for the correct answer. Correct answer is option B Cornwallis. Let us go to the question number 7. Who was the founder of Indian National Congress? 4 options. Option A O Hume, option B Dadabhai Naroji, option C Surendranath Banerjee, option D Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Okay, we have to click here for the correct answer. The correct answer is A O Hume. What is the full form of A O Hume? Alan Octavian Hume. Actually, he was the founder of Indian National Congress. Okay. Our question number 8. The slogan, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it, was given by option A Jawaharlal Nehru, option B Bal Gangadhar Tilak, option C Mahatma Gandhi, option D Subhash Chandra Bose. स्वराज इज माई बर्थ राइट, स्वराज मेरा जन्मगत अधिकार है. बाल गंगाधर तिलक. See, in history, three major characters were there. Lal, Bal, Pal. You have to shortly, you have to remember like this. Lal, Bal, Pal. Lal Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal. So in short form, you have to remember in the like this only. Lal, Bal, Pal. Means Lal Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal was three most historians, freedom fighters of India. Okay. So this is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. And who was told, what was the dialogue from Subhash Chandra Bose? Give me blood, I will give you freedom. Okay. So like this, you have to remember the history things. Politics, say teaching aptitude we have discussed the Indian polity. In this chapter, we are discussing the history. Coming chapter, we will discuss the economy. Then after, we will move to the another topics. Regarding GK, then current affairs will come, right? Okay. The Dandi March of 1930 was related to four options: civil disobedience movement, Quit India movement, non-cooperation movement, Khilafat movement. From picture you guess. Anyhow, I have to click here. Civil disobedience movement, Ain Amanya Andolan, non-cooperation movement, Asahयोग Andolan, and finally India got her independence through Quit India movement, Bharat Chhado Andolan, Asahयोग Andolan, Ain Amanya Andolan, then Bharat Chhado Andolan. Three prominent movement was there. All were led by Gandhijis, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Who among the following established the Brahmo Samaj? There are four options. Option A, Swami Vivekanand, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Dayanand Saraswati, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Let's click here to get the correct answer. Answer B, Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Okay. Satidaha Pratha also he eradicated from society. He had taken a lot of steps to eradicate the Satidaha Pratha. Means a girl, actually in the early stage, girls were married earlier. If husband died, she becomes widow. And she has to die with her husband. That was called Satidaha Pratha. And due to Raja Ram Mohan Rai, this was abolished. For question number 11, which Indian leader was known as the Grand Old Man of India? Grand Old Man of India. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Dadabhai Naoroji, Lala Lajpat Rai, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Correct answer is Dadabhai Naoroji. Question number 12. The Khajuraho temple are mainly associated with which style of architecture? Khajuraho temple. Okay, how is the pictures? Indo-Islamic, Nagara style, Dravidian style, Bhesara style. Dravidian means south base. जनगण मदिन मनोदिनायक जो है द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग, द्राविड़ साउथ, उत्कल ओडिशा, बंग बेंगल, विंध्य हिमाचल जमुना गंगा means all states have covered in our national song. Dravida Utkala Banga. Dravida means south, Tamil Nadu, Andhra like that, but Utkala, Odisha, Dravida Utkala Banga. Banga means Bengal. Anyhow, this the correct answer is Nagara style. 13. Mohiniyattam is a classical dance from which Indian state? Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Odisha, Karnataka. Answer B, Kerala. In Kerala, Kathakali also there. We have already learned in our music, arts, drama topic. Okay. So all are correlated. Question 14. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in which year? Jallianwala Hatyakand. Jallianwala Bagh Hatyakand. 1917, 1919, 1921, 1923. Correct answer is 1919. 1919. Question 15. Sanchi Stupa is located in which Indian state? Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra. Correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Question number 16. The Ajanta cave are famous for rock cut temple of Lord Shiva, Buddhist paintings and sculptures, Jain sculptures, Islamic calligraphy. So let us click here for correct answer. Buddhist paintings and sculptures. In my picture I have taken a lot of Buddhist monks are praying. This is Ajanta cave situated in MP. Ajanta cave. Who wrote the book India Wins Freedom? Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose. Answer C, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Right. The Simon Commission was boycotted in India because it did not have Indian members. It proposed partitions of India. It denied separate electorates. It supported British economic policies. In Simon Commission actually no Indians were there. That's why it was protested. It was protested by the at that time Indians. Okay. Anyhow, let's click here to answer. Answer is it did not have Indian members. Okay. Or question number 19. Which Indian festival is included in UNESCO's representative list of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity? See, this UNESCO is also very important. This is within the syllabus. Means all are within the syllabus. UNESCO, what is the full form of UNESCO? United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organizations. UNESCO. So option is Durga Puja, Holi, Diwali, Pongal. Answer C, Durga Puja is coming. Question number 20. Which dynasty is associated with the development of Dravidian style of temple architecture? Maurya, Chola, Kushana, Gupta. Answer B, option B, Chola. My dear students, this means your technical aptitude, your general test. In general test, subdivisions like Indian polity, Indian history, Indian culture, Indian your tradition, Indian economy, mental aptitude, arithmetic, your certain questions will be there. We will go one by one. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.